Hey everyone, I just wanted to stop on by here and talk to you a little bit about Cricut's new um, machine. It's called the Cricut Joy, and it is, in my opinion, it was designed for people who are on the go. It's more of a portable machine. Um, in my opinion, I think it's overglorified. I think their original price on that is $180, which is, it's not super expensive, but it's not cheap either. They do have it on sale right now for $150. This machine came out in mid to beginning February, so it's been out there a little bit for a while now. It did get almost 4.5 out of 5 stars, so that's not terrible. There are some cons about it, in my opinion. You have to use Cricut's Smart Vinyl, which is their special vinyl. Um, I am not a big fan of Cricut vinyl in general. I think it's overpriced. I don't think it's as sticky. It doesn't work as well. Um, so that's, kind of where I'm at there. Um, and then it cuts 20 feet sections at a time. However, you can only cut 4.5 inches wide because it's such a small machine. So that's like teeny tiny tiny. There's not many decals or anything that I make that are smaller than 4.5 inches. So um, that's kind of a struggle. You also need a special mat. It does come with I think it's just a trial membership to Cricut Access, because remember they implemented that new rule. Some of us are grandfathered in, however, some new members do have to pay that monthly or yearly fee now for Cricut Access. Um, so there's that. Some people had compared it to a Cricut Maker, except a baby version. I would have to disagree with that. Cricut Maker can engrave, it can cut wood, it can emboss. Now, this is just set up to be, just a vinyl cutter, and it does have capabilities of using pens and markers as well. So, um, that is what I have to say about that. If you have a Cricut Maker, a Cricut Joy, if you've tried a Cricut Joy, I would love to hear your feedback on it. Just let me know in the comments below what your thoughts are on it, and if you plan on getting one. Other than that, I hope you all have a wonderful day.